Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to teach you something very interesting, that is how you can transfer a live website to your local host, to your local server. So let's get started. So in this case, you can see on my screen, I have two different windows. The first one, on the left side corner, you can see my live website, and here I have logged into my WordPress dashboard, and similarly I'm also logged into my localhost server as well as in a localhost WordPress dashboard. So in this case we are going to transfer this live website, the entire website, to this local server. So let's get started. So first of all, you need one plugin installed to your two different servers, that is all-in-one web migration, that is totally free, and you can see it's 5 million plus active installations around the world. So it's already, you can trust this plugin. I myself use this. So first of all, install this on your live server, and then also install this on your local server. So first of all, go to your live server and then go to your all-in-one web migration. You can find at the left side menu, and simply click on the export, because you are transferring this website to the localhost. So first of all, you have to export this whole files, whole website. So you have to export this. Click on this. So in my case, I will be export this file to as a file, because the file will be easier for me to import to my local host. So click on the file. So you can see it's preparing for me. So yeah, here we go. Simply click on the download. Go to your localhost. Here you can see I'm on my localhost, right? So again, go to the all-in-one web migration, then simply click on import. So you have already exported the original file from your live website. So simply select the file. Here you go, here is my file. So it's being prepared, and it will not take that much time. Everyone else also love this. So simply just follow along, proceed. There are 5,981 files which is being restoring. Wow. Make sure don't close this browser window, or your import will fail. So keep an eye and do not click anywhere. So yeah, here you go. You can see your site has been imported successfully. Simply click on this finish. You can just simply, here you go, it's on live. And similarly, you can check the live website as well. Same thing, so you can check, right, your live website and your local server website, similar. So all the files has transferred to your local server easily without any technical work. It's just simple. So thanks me later. Ciao.
Thanks for watching. If you liked today's tips, thumbs up and share with your tech friends. Comment your thoughts, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for the latest tech updates. This is Juvair from WebKey, signing off. Happy teching.